Welcome to Top Best Picks. The Best Mini Christmas Trees is probably one of the most charming and festive additions to any home during the holiday season, offering a delightful touch of Christmas spirit without taking up too much space, perfect for desks, mantels, or even as a centerpiece on your dining table, bringing that magical holiday glow to even the smallest corners of your living space. Number 5. National Tree Company 24 Majestic Fir Artificial Christmas Tree. Experience the natural beauty of our artificial Christmas tree. With 71 individually crafted branch tips, it offers an ultra-realistic look that rivals the real thing. Setting up and taking down your holiday centerpiece has never been easier. The convenient branches and pre-strung lights ensure a hassle-free experience. This tree is built to last, featuring a sturdy red burlap base and 35 UL white lights. Its time-tested needles are fire-resistant and non-allergenic for your peace of mind. Standing at 2 feet tall and 18 inches in diameter, it's the ideal size to bring festive cheer to any room without overwhelming your space. Buy with confidence from a USA-based, family-owned business with 60 years of experience. Our dedicated customer service team is here to assist you with any questions or needs. What we like. This tree offers a natural, lifelike appeal with durable construction for lasting holidays. If you're looking for a realistic-looking tree that's built to last and easy to set up, this is a fantastic choice for your home or office. What people say. The tree is a good size for a tabletop decoration. It is easy to assemble and decorate. The lights are bright and add a festive touch. Number 4. Prextex 23-inch Mini Christmas Tree with Lights. Bring the magic of the holidays to any small space with this charming, pre-lit Christmas tree. It's designed to add instant festive cheer to your desk or any room. This complete mini set comes with everything you need for a stunning display. It includes ornaments, gift boxes, lights, and a star topper for a fully decorated look. Setting up this festive tree is a breeze. Simply insert the stand, shape the branches, and hang the decor for quick and easy decorating. The warm white LED lights cast a soft glow, filling your space with cozy holiday charm. It creates an inviting atmosphere perfect for evenings and celebrations. Whether it's an apartment, dorm, or office, this tree adds a cheerful holiday touch. It's ideal for creating indoor Christmas spirit wherever you desire. Enjoy classic holiday charm in a compact design. This easy-to-style tree fits perfectly on tables and in small spaces, bringing festive spirit to any room. What we like. This option comes as a complete mini set, including ornaments, a star topper, and gift boxes for instant festive charm. If you want a fully decorated tree with minimal effort and love a warm, cozy glow, this is perfect for you. What people say. It comes with all the little decorations, wrapped gifts, lights, tiny decorations, and lights. It takes about 15 minutes to set up, because you have to pull down each separate branch of the tree and bend it into a good-looking, full tree all the way around, which takes some time. Then you need to wind the little strand of lights around it nicely, and then hang all of the individual ornaments on all the branches. It also comes with a gold star for the top and little wrapped presents to put underneath. The tree itself sets up in seconds with a simple snap-together stand, but it's still very stable as well. The included mini ornaments add a nice look, and the LED lights are bright and reliable, which I appreciate for durability and safety. Number 3. National Tree Company 3 feet pre-lit mini flocked Christmas tree. Add a touch of Christmas spirit to any room with this charmingly detailed tree. It features 130 individually crafted branch tips for a full appearance. It's battery operated for easy placement anywhere. Set it up easily in your living room, bedroom, or office. This attractive tree is perfect for your home or even covered outdoor locations, bringing festive cheer throughout fall, winter, and Christmas. This ideal holiday decoration comes with a rustic burlap base. It's illuminated by 50 warm white LED lights that are battery operated. A convenient 6-hour on 18-hour off timer is built in for effortless ambience. Standing at 3 feet tall with a 20-inch diameter base, it's the perfect size. Use it as a centerpiece, on a tabletop, mantel, or desk to enhance your holiday decor. Buy with confidence from a family-owned business with 60 years of experience. Our friendly customer service team is ready to assist you with any questions. What we like. This tree boasts a charming flocked design with pinecone accents and convenient built-in lighting with a timer. If you appreciate a more elegant, wintry look and want hassle-free lighting, this is ideal for creating a festive centerpiece. What people say. The tree is very cute and perfect for a small space. It's easy to assemble and looks great on my desk. The lights are bright and add a festive touch. Number 2. Yinder 6 PCS Mini Christmas Tree Set. Get a set of 6 charming mini Christmas trees, each standing at about 19.69 inches tall. Their compact size and lightweight make them perfect for any tabletop, and you'll have plenty to share. These realistic and vibrant trees are designed to bring holiday spirit to any spot. Place them on your kitchen counter, dining table, or desk to instantly enhance your Christmas celebrations. Crafted from durable PVC, these trees are made to last through many holiday seasons. The stable bases ensure they stand tall and secure, preventing any accidental tips. These are the perfect decorations for your Christmas gatherings, adding a festive touch to any space. They're also wonderful for beautifying tables, windows, and even mini gardens. Setting up your new trees is a breeze. Simply unfold the branches and arrange them evenly for a full and beautiful appearance. They're ready to add a touch of holiday magic in no time. What we like. You get a pack of 6 trees, offering great value and versatility for decorating multiple spots. If you need several small trees for various locations like tables, mantels, or even mini gardens, this multi-pack is a practical and charming solution. What people say. The height listed is for the total item, the trees included. This small size is exactly what we needed for our 2 top and 4 top tables. After a fluffing up, they are adorable, and we plan on leaving on the tables over the winter, since they are not overtly Christmas. They will be suitable until time for our early spring and summer table displays. These trees are exactly what I was hoping for, tiny, well-proportioned and well-made. Number 1. Joiedomi 24 Mini Christmas Tree Tabletop Set. Get ready to create your own festive centerpiece. This all-in-one kit has everything you need to build a charming mini Christmas tree. Inside the box, you'll find 50 LED lights, a sparkling star treetop, and 24 mini ornaments. It's all here for your creative decorating. This delightful tree is powered by a convenient battery box, so you can place it anywhere you desire without worrying about cords. Setting up is a breeze. In just a few minutes, you can adorn it with the included accessories and enjoy its festive glow throughout the season. It's ideal for your home, workspace, or as a stunning centerpiece for holiday gatherings. It also makes a wonderful gift for loved ones. This tree is designed to bring you wonderful festive memories. It's the perfect addition to your holiday decorations and a truly special item. What we like. This set provides everything you need for a fun DIY decorating experience, including lights, a star, and ornaments. If you enjoy personalizing your holiday decor and want an all-in-one kit that's easy to set up anywhere thanks to battery power, this is a great choice. What people say. The mini Christmas trees are perfect for tabletop decoration, adding a festive touch to any small space. These trees are designed with a realistic look, featuring sturdy branches that hold ornaments well. The compact size makes them incredibly versatile, suitable for desks, mantels, or as part of a larger holiday display. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.